Hi, this is Renee Tamegi from the Majestic Wealth Academy. Here you get inspired for action in life and for Forex trading by amplifying your thought to help scale up your results so you can become a consistently profitable trader. In today's video, we will be going over the tool that we talk about in the introduction and see how to set them up and start getting ourselves ready to dive deeper into our learning curve. So if you are ready, let's get into it. Okay, folks, before we continue, I want us to take a little moment and pause and read very well this disclaimer, because it's very important for us moving forward in everything that we are doing in this channel to help, because we really want everybody to understand that any information and result displayed in the channel are for educational and motivational purpose only, and past performance do not guarantee future. On a chart, there are many types of chart that we can choose from. We have the bar chart, we have the candlestick chart, we have the line chart. You're going to see the difference as we go along, but we want to get focused mostly on with the candlestick, because that's the most widely used and the one that give more information, and almost all the traders use that. Okay, so let me make this a little bigger, make full screen. And so if we come right here on top, we see, let me just make this get big a little bit, get big. We see over here, it shows that we have here the candlestick. So if I click this first one, you see we have bar. These are the bar chart. The chart is using the bar, and if I click on this one, it's the line. So is the line type of chart. So among these three, line, bar, and candlestick, most people love the candlestick, because as we're gonna study and learn in our candlestick Bible, we realize that the candlestick gives more information and is more useful in the trading process than any other type of chart. I mean, each and every one has its own purpose for a given time, but the candlestick, it really depicts the emotion, everything that the market can really demonstrate. That's the reason why. Okay, so let us set up this very quick. I'm just going to show you guys what to do very quick. So you come here, when you right click, you open up the menu. For you to right click and open up this menu, you right click anywhere on the chart and click property. It will bring you here. You choose candlestick. I'm on everything over here. The only thing I want anybody to focus on is just candlestick. Choose candlestick and then move to color. Yeah, when we come here to color, this year we're going to be choosing the color. I mean, you can choose any color that you want, and you see we have the background color, the foreground color, the grid, the bar up, the bar down, the bubble, the ball counter, the bear counter, the line graph, and stuff like that. You can choose, and you can choose whichever one you want right here. So I'm just going to do for the this MT4, and show how we save, and so that you can be using all the time. And then the other one going to be your practice. Go on, if you want to use the MetaTrader 5, you can do the same thing with MetaTrader 5, just follow the same principle. So if we come over here and choose this one, we start here with the background. I click here, we open up the color menu. I want my background to be black. Yeah, I will keep the background black for now. You can change it to any color you want, but I click black. Still, I go to the foreground. The foreground, I want to choose the dark gray. So where is the dark gray? I look around to see where we see a dim gray. This is gray. This is slate gray. I keep on moving. I want to see. This is a light gray. This is a dark gray. So I click dark gray and continue. For my grid, I want a dark blue. So that's dark blue. I choose it for my grid. And for the back up, I'm going to choose the blue. Yeah, pure blue. For my bar down, I'm going to choose deep pink back down. Deep pink. For bar candle, I would choose deep sky blue. That's my deep sky blue. For the bear candle, I would choose medium violet red. Medium violet red, that one. And for the line graph, I'm just going to leave the line like that for the line graph. For the volume, I'm just going to leave the volume the way it is, lime green. And for axe line, I will leave it red. And for stop level, I will leave it red. So I leave everything like this and just click here now. Okay. As soon as I click, you see everything have changed. This is how I want to have my candle be looking. I have many templates and with different color. So I just show you, we went through this particular one and to just demonstrate how we can change the color of our trading or our charting platform to suit our desire to look the way we want it, so that we can be happy trading. So you can do many templates, save as many templates as possible, and you know, and you do that with different color and just change from template to template. Every time you want to do another template, you can click on window. When you click here, new window, open a new window, you can use that to do a setup. So this was the very quick run about this. So if you did not, I can, if I click over here and click property right now, this is the summary of that. Anyone can take the picture and go over it again and be able to do it on your own pace. But these are the different color You can set for this particular one, but like I said, you can switch to any color that you like. And this how you can change the coloring of your candlestick, your MetaTrader 4, even MetaTrader 5. So we did for MetaTrader 4 today. All right, I will not emphasize this enough. To become a very good trader, you have to take this as a project where you want to be the best. That's why we're going to be doing a lot of things in this academy as a project type of stuff, so that it can engage everybody to become excellent, be hands-on. That's the purpose of us doing this. I can just run very quick to anything like many people do out there to just attract people to do this and do that. But no, I want us to really have a very, very good foundation and just work with a good building skill, and it's going to be phenomenal. And you won't regret it. Hey, folks, after finishing setting up the MetaTrader 4, let's talk about a trading view, because I'm encouraging each and everyone to have an account with trading view. And it's very simple. Just go to tradingview.com and have an account there. So we can do that also as well. So if we come to TradingView, you go to tradingview.com, you can come and click here and get started, and they have a pay account as people want according to their level of understanding already, or what they need for their trading platform. But if you just want to try, you want to see what a trading view is capable of, just try it free by getting the basic one. So when you click here, it gives you the opportunity to go in and sign up with whatever credential we want to use. I mean, I go with the email. You click your email, allow you to put your email and password and stuff like that, and go through over there and just click create the create an account. When you don't create an account and stuff, like every time you come to the trading view, you're going to be seeing maybe your credential up over there, and if you click chart, it's going to be bringing you inside the charting platform. We're going to be bringing you on the charting. Most traders also out there use the trading view now to access analysis or to do analysis for their pairs, and just use MetaTrader 4 to execute the trade either on their desktop or their mobile device. And the same thing like we were talking about setting up, you can come over here. When you click, you right click and you get the menu and click on setting. It will open up things, so we're giving you opportunity to set up your trading view whichever way you want. I mean, you can follow the same coloring or the same process that we did over there, and just do that. Just to go through the different menu right here, appearance, and just try. I mean, like I say, each and everyone had to learn to become familiar. If you really want to have a fantastic, enjoyable journey trading, you need to be hands-on in everything. Just be hands-on. Don't wait for people to just come and be giving every chewing thing for you to just swallow. Sometimes just jump into it and start doing stuff. Okay, if you go on the pay account, even the cheapest one. I mean, you will not be able to be having all the disturbance with ads. And one of the good thing about TradingView is that TradingView gives you the opportunity to do some replay. So it's a very wonderful tool for practice. So you can go back in time and stuff like that, and do replay of your trade, and be learning to see a setup, or learning to discover even how setup are being formed, and just make it look like it's live experience. It's a very good tool. A lot of people are here for that, and that replay is mostly for pay account. But if it's the free account, you can only have it on the daily time frame. I mean, I didn't want to say that because we haven't talked about time frame, but in Forex, we have many type of different level of time that you can access to see information or to trade, depending on your experience level. Over here, we have month, we have week, we have a day, we have 4 hour, even go into second. Okay, so but like I said, when you have a free account, it would not allow you to go so far. You mostly you're going to be on the daily time frame, and that's the only way you can access the replay. And every time, even for you to have a replay, you need to already have signed up. You see, as soon as I click replay, it brought me back here because I haven't, this account is not a signed account yet. All right, so this is pretty much what I wanted to go over, and I'm going to stop here today, and we're gonna continue. Hopefully, these have been insightful for you. I keep on encouraging each and every one. I mean, this is a process that we are taking. Please take your time, practice, learn to have your hand be used to what you are about to discover. I mean, this is a project. Rome has never been built in just one day. But if you take the time and set the wonderful foundation, Rome will look beautiful. All right. So learn to be hands-on, be encouraged. We're gonna get there. In the meantime, please like the video, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future update to the channel. So this being said, I really appreciate you giving your time to go along with us. I'm sure you won't regret it. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.